So sa NBA
Pinapawisan
nga,
ako ah.
sa NBA nga, yung mga vloggers, ina-acknowledge nila, which is a good thing. Tingnan mo sa NBA ngayon, not only that, Pao, ha? By the way, Snow and I harp on this on the No Cooking Show as well. Nasa PBA, tinatanggal pag may mga, may mga clips kang gagamitin kung walang permiso na kanila, pinatanggal daw. Sa NBA pwede, sila pa nga nagbigay eh. As long as it does not infringe on the broadcast rights of the media partner. So, for instance, kung nagsushoot lang ng free throw, hindi live action pwede. Di ba? Or snippets lang na nag-dunk si Pau over me. Di pwede. But that's the best way to disseminate your product. Pero ang PBA, wala. Pau, may 1.2 million followers. Baka masaktan ang feelings ng press corps natin. So, wag natin i-credential to. That's just wrong. The more, the merrier. You have to credential those who are deserving.